Ayan na, Morgan. Yeah. Come on. Wait for your sister. Get, open mo. Put it down first. Heavy? Yep. Hala ka. Oh, get mo yung toilet please. Okay, good. Come on. We will take a picture, okay? Come on, ay! Picture mo na kayo, dali. Sige, smile. Smile. Okay. Morgan. Sige na, Morgan. Sige na. Morgan. Oh, naman sleepy kasi ito. Morgan, dito na tayo sa school.
I woke her up by just tickling her.
No, baka na.